In this session, we will be creating a quick action for account object so that users can quickly create a new related case record without navigating away from the current account page. So what we want to achieve is, while they are viewing an account record, we want to provide them a button over here or quick action over here so that they can quickly create a case record from there. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. In order to do that, we have to be on the object manager and on account object. From there, we will click on this buttons, links, and actions link. And then from there, we will click on this new action button. All right. So what we want to create is, what we want to do with this button is we want to create a record, right? That's why we're going to select action type as create record. Then what kind of create we want to, what kind of record we want to create? We want to create a case record. All right. And that's why we select the target object as case. What should be the record type? If we have multiple record types for the case object, we can select anyone that can be created. In this scenario, I'm selecting software related issues record type. And standard label, you can click a standard label, just select this option, create new record. Or if you don't want to give that, you can configure your custom one as well. Like I'm just gonna say create case. Let's give a description, create new case record, new software case record. I'm just dropping a quick description. Let's give a success message. After the case is created, it will give and display this message for us. Let's click on Save button. And here we have to give the fields and contact name. So contact name will be populated, status field will be populated, and subject and description fields will be given to us, and we will have to fill them out. And let's keep it as it is and click Save. Right? Now we will have to navigate to the page layouts and make that button available for the page layout. We know that we are using this page layout for the account records. Let's click on it. And we will click on mobile lightning actions. Here we have create case. All right. Create case. We will drag and drop it into this area. Create case. And then quick save. We'll navigate back to our case record. We will do a refresh on this page so that our button can be visible or action can be visible. It's not there yet. Let's do a hard refresh. So it's not displaying over here even after the hard refresh. I assume that's because we are using dynamic actions. And then we will have to add that button via the lightning page. So I will click on this setup and click on edit page. And select this highlight panel. And as you can see, we are using dynamic actions. All right. And because of that, we will click on this add action button and then search it from here. create case. That's the quick action we need. Okay, let's select it and click done. Let's move it somewhere higher so that it can be easily accessible. And click save. Let's navigate back. Let's click on any account record. Now the create case quick action is available for us to use. Let's click on it. And we have these 4 fields that we have to populate. Let's click on the contact, select contact, give a subject. And click save. So only active accounts can be associated with a case. So we have a lookup filter that we configured from previous scenarios. I'm going to go select an account that is active, or make this one active, and then use that button. It has nothing to do with our button. It's because of the lookup filter that we configured earlier, which says cases can only be associated with active account. Test and test. Click save. And this case got created, and this is our custom message that we defined. And this is the test case that we just created. And the good thing is it got automatically associated with the account from where we created it.